We have these elevators that are modernized with inch line. And look, there's one on this side and one right across from it. A weird setup. That's a weird chime. Huh. Oh! What the hell? Long elevators in Chicago. That's weird. I would never expect to find a long elevator in Chicago. Are we moving? There we go. That's a weird chime. I think it's playing both the up, or it's playing both tones at the same time. Down to one. Emergency phone. Nothing out of the ordinary. And look. It was something modernized by long, honestly, it looks like. But that's so weird, a long elevator in Chicago. No chime. We'll get the down chime once. We'll go up to 2. We'll get the down chime. Oh yeah, forgot it takes a year to start up going up.